Hello guys, Cisco here. In this video, I will show you how you can make money just from copy-paste videos TikTok without need show your face or voice. I will show you some example. As you see, this videos got million views without any force. It's easy to make it. You just have to download videos about some niche like funny cat or dog or funny videos and mix it, then upload it. So let's say we will make videos about cats. You just need go to top hashtag TikTok about your niche like funny cats, then download the 20 or 10 videos. So let's see how we can download videos from TikTok without watermark. First, go this link, I will drop it in description, then add a hashtag or keyword like funny cats. Then choose videos you want downloaded. And copy link, then go this website, I will drop it in description and put it here, then click download. You have to download 10 or 20 videos or more, then mix it. Now let's see how we can make a template for our videos. It's easy to make it. Only you need 3 screenshots from your videos, then mix it like this. That's it guys. But first, to help your channel grow fast, you have to share your videos in group Facebook or Twitter.